Welcome to Insight Software's reporting for Workday. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the latest enhancements in our Workday integration, which provide finance teams with seamless, real-time data access within Excel. We'll explore how our solution transforms Workday financial management data access, making reporting faster, more flexible, and tailored to your unique needs. Target market and challenges. Many finance teams rely on Workday financial management, but face challenges with limited reporting options. While Workday offers powerful tools, reporting often lacks flexibility and speed, particularly in Excel integration. Insight Software's reporting for Workday solution directly addresses these gaps by providing a robust live data connection to Excel, enabling efficient dynamic reporting for the mid-market segment. Insight Software reporting for Workday. Our reporting for Workday solution bridges the gap between Workday FM and Excel, empowering users to access, analyze, and report data in real time. With a direct connection powered by Open Business Data Fabric, teams can now access refreshable reports, utilize drill-down capabilities, and even customize interactive reports, all within Excel. Let's dive into the demonstration of reporting for Workday. In this segment, we'll see how our solution connects Excel directly to your Workday financial management data through the Open Business Data Fabric, creating a seamless live data link. We start by opening Excel and connecting to Workday Financial Management. Using the spreadsheet server's familiar Excel interface, we can access Workday data directly within the worksheet. Creating a report becomes as simple as selecting the fields and data points relevant to your business needs, such as revenue, expenses, or department-level analysis. With reporting for Workday, you're not limited to static reports. Here is how to add interactive drill downs directly within Excel, enabling you to go from a summary view down to the details of any financial transaction. For example, if you're reviewing departmental expenses, you can click on a specific value to drill down into the underlying transactions, helping you get a complete, detailed view with just a click. Now, let's see how to modify reporting segments on the fly. With a few simple adjustments, you can customize your view to show different time periods, departments, or financial categories. The intuitive setup allows you to tailor your data segmentation to fit evolving business questions, whether that means pivoting to a quarterly view, isolating specific regions, or comparing multiple product lines. This flexibility ensures that your reports are as adaptable as your business needs. Finally, let's see how easy it is to refresh your data. Since the connection to Workday is live, updating your report is as simple as clicking the refresh button. The report instantly pulls the latest data from Workday, ensuring that your analysis is based on the most current information. This eliminates the need for manual updates and repetitive data exports, streamlining your reporting process and saving time. With reporting for Workday, security is paramount. Our solution uses OAuth 2.0 authentication, ensuring data access remains secure for all users. For those interested in this enhanced Workday integration, a spreadsheet server and Angles Designer license is required, enabling full access to build and customize reports within our platform. And there you have it. With Insight Software's reporting for Workday, you get a direct line to your Workday financial management data in Excel, simplifying and enhancing your reporting experience. From live data access to interactive drill downs, this solution empowers your team to achieve more with real-time data insights. Please share your thoughts and suggestions with us through this email. Additionally, for more information, access the Insight Software product documentation using the link provided in the description.